everyone. Welcome to English with Jenna and Steve.
Hello, hello. I'm Steve.
Hi, Steve. How are you today?
I'm good, Jenna. A little sleepy, but good.
That's okay. We all get sleepy sometimes.
Yes, I had coffee, so now I'm ready.
Before we start today's lesson,
Oh yes, don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
comment.
Tell us what English words you want to learn next.
Yes, your ideas help us make more fun lessons.
All right. Are you ready?
Ready. Let's learn English together.
Perfect. Today, we're going to learn about colors, family, and feelings.
Oh, nice. I love colors.
Great. And we will also talk about people in your family and how you feel.
That sounds fun.
Let's start with colors.
Okay, colors.
I will say a color. You repeat after me.
Okay.
Red,
Red,
blue,
blue,
green,
green,
yellow,
yellow,
orange,
orange,
pink,
pink,
purple,
purple,
brown,
brown,
black,
black,
white.
white.
Very good, Steve.
Thank you. That was easy and fun.
Let's say them all together again a little faster.
Okay.
Red, blue, green, yellow, orange, pink, purple, brown, black, white.
Red, blue, green, yellow, orange, pink, purple, brown, black, white.
Nice job. Now let's practice using colors in short sentences.
Okay.
My shirt is blue.
My shirt is blue.
Your cup is red.
My cup is red.
The sky is blue.
The sky is blue.
The sun is yellow.
The sun is yellow.
The grass is green.
The grass is green.
My shoes are black.
My shoes are black.
Your phone is white.
Your phone is white.
Great. You're doing very well, Steve.
Thank you, Teacher Jenna.
Now, friends listening at home, your turn.
Yes, you can practice too.
I will say a sentence. You fill in the color. Ready?
Let's do it.
The apple is...
Red.
Yes, red. The apple is red. The banana is...
Yellow.
Correct. The banana is yellow. The sky is...
Blue.
Yes, the sky is blue. The grass is...
Green.
Good job.
Yay! I like this part.
Now let's learn about family members.
Okay, my family.
Listen and repeat.
Got it.
Mother,
Mother,
father,
father,
sister,
sister,
brother,
brother,
grandmother,
grandmother,
grandfather,
grandfather,
aunt,
aunt,
uncle,
uncle,
cousin.
cousin.
Great job.
Thank you. My favorite is grandmother
Aw, that's sweet. Why?
because my grandmother cooks very good food.
Grandmothers always cook the best food. Now let's make small sentences.
Okay.
My mother is kind.
My mother is kind.
My father is funny.
My father is funny.
My sister is smart.
My sister is smart.
My brother is tall.
My brother is tall.
My grandmother is sweet.
My grandmother is sweet.
My grandfather is strong.
My grandfather is strong.
Excellent, Steve.
Thank you, Jenna.
Okay, friends listening, now it's your turn again.
Let's see if you can say it too.
Who is kind in your family?
Maybe my mom?
Nice. Who is funny in your family?
My dad. He tells bad jokes.
Dads love bad jokes. Who is smart in your family?
My sister. She reads a lot.
Very good. So you have a kind mother, a funny father, and a smart sister.
Yes, that's my family.
Now let's learn about feelings, how we feel every day.
Feelings. Okay.
Listen and repeat.
Got it.
Happy,
Happy.
sad,
Sad.
angry,
Angry.
tired,
Tired.
excited,
Excited.
scared,
Scared.
hungry,
Hungry.
thirsty,
Thirsty.
cold,
Cold.
hot.
Hot.
Nice. Let's use them in short sentences.
Okay.
I am happy.
I am happy.
I am sad.
I am sad.
I am angry.
I am angry.
I am tired.
I am tired.
I am excited.
I am excited.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
I am thirsty.
I am thirsty.
I am cold.
I am cold.
I am hot.
I am hot.
Good. Let's add some color to it.
Colors again?
Yes. When I am happy, I see yellow.
When I am happy, I see yellow.
When I am sad, I see blue.
When I am sad, I see blue.
When I am angry, I see red.
When I am angry, I see red.
That's very good acting, Steve.
Thank you. I'm a good actor.
Now, for you listening, let's practice together.
Yes, say the words with us.
How do you feel today?
I feel happy.
Great. How do you feel when you are hungry?
I feel tired and hungry. I want food.
Me too. I want pizza. How do you feel when you see your family?
I feel happy and warm.
Aw, that's so nice. Okay, everyone, let's review what we learned today.
Yes, review time.
First, colors. Say them with me.
Both red, blue, green, yellow, orange, pink, purple, brown, black, white.
Very good.
Woohoo!
Next, family members.
Both mother, father, sister, brother, grandmother, grandfather, aunt, uncle, cousin.
Perfect.
Family love.
And finally, feelings.
Both happy, sad, angry, tired, excited, scared, hungry, thirsty, cold, hot.
Amazing. You did it.
Yay! We learned a lot today.
Let's do a short role play before we finish.
Okay, I like that.
Hi, Steve. How are you today?
Hi, Jenna. I'm happy today
That's great. Why are you happy?
because I talked to my grandmother.
Ah, that's so sweet. How is your grandmother?
She's good. She made red soup for me.
Red soup. Maybe tomato soup?
Yes, tomato soup, and it was so good.
That's wonderful. I love tomato soup too. What color is your shirt today?
My shirt is blue.
And how do you feel right now?
I feel excited because I learned English.
Perfect answer. Okay, friends, now it's your turn to answer.
Yes, think and speak out loud.
What color do you like?
I like blue.
Who is in your family?
My mother, my father, and my sister.
How do you feel today?
I feel happy.
Excellent! You did a great job. Today we learned about colors, family, and feelings, and you did so well.
Yes, you did amazing, friends.
If you liked this lesson, please
Both like, subscribe, and leave a comment.
tell us what you want to learn next time. Maybe animals, clothes, or things in the house.
I vote for food again.
Okay, we'll see. Thank you for listening to English with Jenna and Steve.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Keep learning English every day.